Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to fix audio delay on Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the, as you can see, feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fit audio delay on Bandlab. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps so that you can know how to do it in no time. Fixing audio delay in Bandlab can be a bit tricky, but you just need to go and click on the gear icon at the bottom right of the screen and select latency correction. This will help Bandlab compensate for the delay. Then click on latency test button and follow the instruction. This will measure the delay and adjust the track accordingly. Bluetooth devices can introduce additional latency. Use wired headphones or speakers instead. Make sure to close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up CPU resources. If you have access to advanced settings, try lowering the buffer size to reduce latency. Unplug your headphones and use your computer speakers to hear the beeps sent by Bandlab during the latency test. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!